What kinds of data an Excel can have, how you can do editing and formatting of your data, why formatting is important, and what are the quick ways of doing editing and formatting. You will get all the answers of your questions in this tutorial. So let's get started. Excel can hold three kinds of data. First numeric, second is text, and the third is formula. You can also enter the date format in Excel. Now if I write any date here, it is visible to you as a date. But at the back end, Excel stores the date in number format and it can be used in calculations. Don't worry, I will show you how later in this chapter. Now I have some data in my Excel file. I have selected the headers of my data. Now we will go to the Excel ribbon here at the top, and in the Home tab you have multiple options to change your formatting. You can change your font family, font size, bold, italic, underline, borders, fill these cells, font color, the alignments of your text, and many more. You can also merge these cells from here. For example, if I want to merge these two cells, just click on this option Merge Cell. What if I have data in the cells which I want to merge? When I click on Merge, it will warn me that if you will merge the cells, the upper left value will be kept and rest all will be discarded. If I click OK, see what will happen. Now I am doing Ctrl Z to undo my last action. If you want to write something in the same cell in next line, you can use shortcut key Alt and Enter and you will be able to write a new line in the same cell. If you have a long sentence and it is overlapping to other cells, you can wrap it if you don't want to increase the width of your column. So you can choose this option, wrap the text, and it will appear like this. Now let's do some number formatting. Let me select numbers data. By default, it will always be in general. You can choose your formatting which you want from this drop down list. You can go to more number formats and can select your category from here. There are so many options to format your numbers. Or you can also make your own from here custom. Let's choose number here, 0 decimal places, and use 1000 separator. Click OK. If I write any numbers, say 1, 2, 3, Excel will be default treat it as a numeric data, and you notice that it is aligned to the right of the cell. If I convert it to the text from here, from this drop down list, it will align to the left of the cell. Now if you want to clear the formatting from your entire data set, you can go to this option, Clear, and then choose Clear Format. It will take away all your formattings. You can also click on this tilt icon here to get more options for the data formatting. Excel also have a very good feature which is known as autofill. For example, if I write here Jan, Feb and I want to drag it down, the Excel will automatically recognize that these are the names of the months and it will autofill for me. So Excel is very smart. Now here you have a small box for autofill options. You can change from fill series to other options like copy cells, fill formatting only, or fill without formatting. Let's do autofill with numbers. If I write here 10, 20, 30 and if I drag it, Excel understands my pattern that I followed. If I am writing any date in the Excel, the format of the date is based on your system's regional setting. In my system, I have DD, MM, YYYY format. So here, this date will be 7 July 2021. You can change your date to long date format to avoid any confusion in month or date. And like I said, Excel stores the date in number format. You can do calculations. For example, let's say I want to add 5 days to this date. I can simply do it by equal to selecting the cell and plus 5. It will add 5 days to this date. If you are using some formatting frequently and you don't want so many options here, you can create your own tab and have only the options that you want. So right click here, go to Customize ribbon. If you want your tab after Home tab, then highlight it and click this button New tab. You will have a new tab right here. Click on Rename. You can write your own name here. Click OK. You can also make groups in this tab. So rename your group, say Formatting, and you can also choose icon of your choice if you want and click OK. Now whatever formatting you want in this new tab under your name, select it from the left hand panel and click Add. I am randomly choosing options from here. Click on OK. You have your customized tab with your name and having all your favorite options just under single tab. Why data formatting is important in Excel? Let me show you a simple example. I have this raw data, some headers, products, stores, customers, sale, a total of sales here at the bottom. By looking into this data, you won't understand anything and it is also difficult to read. If I will present this data with some formatting, then how about this? It will hardly take 2 minutes of your time to format, but it is in more readable layout. By just highlighting few of the data points, you get to know what this data is saying, like minimum sale, maximum sale, total sale. My headers are separated. So before you hand over or save your data, do some formatting for yourself and for others to understand what this data represents. With this, let's wrap up this chapter about data entry editing and formatting in Excel. I hope that you found this video useful. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked it. Give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Take care.